guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Felicia Zaman, and in today's video, which we are jumping right into, I have something pretty freaking mind-blowing. So about 2-3 days ago, I think it was on Saturday, I went to the mall with my friend and we went into Forever 21 and she found this little guy. So she's showing me that, Felicia, look, it's a makeup applicator. And I'm talking about Mahisha, by the way. So thank you, Mahisha. If this actually ends up working, then I mean, I'll be saving a lot of product, because this is a slime applicator. I have felt it, but I haven't opened it as yet because I didn't want to get rid of the package. I just wanted to open it on camera. So this is a makeup applicator. It is distributed by Forever 21, and this is Rose Pink Unique. You can get this for $6.90. I got a 10% discount with my SBC card, so it was about $7.02. So basically today we're gonna try it out. I am not really wearing any makeup. My skin is prepped and prime. I'm wearing my eye makeup because I was wearing makeup earlier. To get started, I am going to be using this liquid foundation. So this is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. And before I actually get into the video, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation right around my lips. So I'm just going to use a normal concealer. I usually do it. I don't know why people say it's too much, but I do it. It works for me. I just feel I look super crazy, but I just feel that a concealer just covers it up better than a actual color correcting something. So yeah. Okay, so it's pink. It looks like, I don't know what you call these. Not a teardrop. Are they a teardrop? Not an egg. It looks like a snowman. We're just gonna say the sponge, I guess, but it's a slime, so not really a sponge, but it feels like slime. It's really rubbery, soft, and just, I feel like if I were to pull it too hard, it'll just come into two parts. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my foundation and give this a shake. Okay, so I've did the cheek. It applied pretty matte. We're just gonna go in with it some more like I would normally. And okay, so we're gonna try it on the forehead now, because I usually have problems applying products to my forehead. I just feel like it doesn't always satisfy me. So just try. Okay, so not bad. I'm not hating it at all. It hasn't really given me much of a chance to complain, but it is, though, more time consuming because it is so small. Like, compared to my tiny finger, my tiny finger is a bit bigger, but you don't wet this, like, you don't have to wet it for it to puff up or anything, so that doesn't really happen. It does blend out. It applies the product and it blends it out, keep it on the skin really good. It doesn't, like, it seems fine. I'm actually surprised. The pore is like my problem, but just to be fair and square, I am gonna grab my foundation brush and just try it on the skin using the foundation brush as well, to just compare how it looks with the slime blender and how it looks on the brush. Okay, so I grabbed my regular selfie ready foundation brush by e.l.f. Okay, what the hell is going on? As you guys can see, the side of my face that I have used the slime blender, it is really matte. This is a matte foundation. It dries down to a matte. This is really matte. It's like, it matches my skin tone. It's all blended in, But this side that I usually use, this is like my go-to foundation brush that I use all the time. I just noticed that if you watch right here that I put the concealer and, you know, that I put the concealer to cover my hyperpigmentation, it looks kind of whiter on this side than this side. So I'm saying with this, it just puffs, it put everything into the skin, but this side, it's not the same. And also on this side, it's much more oilier, if you guys can see that. This side is really matte, this side is really oily, and this is not supposed to happen. Like, I'm kind of like worried. And then also, right under my eye, like I can literally see the skin, but this side, it covers up. But what we are gonna do is we're just gonna grab our concealer and we're gonna try blending it out with this and see how it does with concealer. Okay, I'm not gonna put too much because this slime does not suck up any of your products. I'm just gonna use a smaller side because, I don't know, smaller. This is really hard. Like, it's slime and all, but it's hard compared to like a brush or a beauty sponge. It's usually more soft. This is not. Look at myself in the mirror. This side actually looks pretty nice. I'm not hating it at all. But I just hate that this is so small, so it's much more time consuming. Like, if I was in a hurry, I would have to not be in a hurry because, oh my god. Okay, I'm not sure. It's not blending as well on the forehead. It's either gonna take a lot of work that I've already put in, but I'm just gonna go with my brush and... Okay, so obviously it's spreaded too much on my forehead. That causes it to just look more... My forehead just looks way more highlighted than I usually do it. But on the other side, we're gonna go in with the concealer and we're gonna blend it out using the brush just to be fair, to see how both of it... Guys, what do you see going on my face right now? My everyday foundation brush, concealer brush, just looks... I mean, the concealer, I love how it blended out better on this side because I just love a lighter under eye. I mean, this side it's here, but it looks way more natural and subtle and nice, and I do love a full coverage, but I don't love a cakey side. This side of my face that I use the brush just looks way more cakey for some reason. It looks more white around here, and I basically put the same amount of concealer around the mouth. This side looks more natural. This side looks more white, like the concealer is showing through, and yeah, like it's... I think I'm gonna be going for this way more often than I thought I would. Like, I'm actually shook. You guys comment down below and tell me which side do you think actually looks better. Anyway, that was it. That's all I had for you guys. Comment down below and tell me what you guys thought about this. Do you guys like these type of video or no? And that's all I had for you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys. Bye.